Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Lenny. Today I'm going to share with you a couple of my ideas on how to decorate your island. If you have an island like mine, this video is going to help you how to decorate a simple flower arrangements with a large vase, and also I would like to show you an idea for the tray. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so we have 3 different kinds of flowers, and these flowers can be used for spring until summer. We have a couple spray or bushes, lavender. I got these from Hobby Lobby, and I think right now they're 40% off. Hopefully they'll be 50% off eventually, very soon. I have 2 of this, and then I got the Dahlias. I got 3 of them from last year. They're from Michael's, and they were 80% off. So they can get very expensive, guys. So I would suggest that if there is 50% or clearance available for the flowers, I would probably grab them if you can. That way the next year you can use them. You could always reuse them every year. Then we have the lilac. I have 4 of those. This is from Hobby Lobby. I did get this from Hobby Lobby when the spring started, so I didn't get any discount for it. They were a little bit pricey. They were like, I believe, $10 a piece. So again, if you know, if they're on sale, or keep your eyes peeled for clearance and discounts or any sales flowers and greenery, then you know you can grab them and keep them until you need to use them. So these are the 3 different flowers that we have to make our flower arrangement for Easter, spring, and summer. Okay guys, this is a white vase that a lot of people use for island for flower arrangements. It's very easy to use. It's very common, and I got this from Homegoods a while ago. I can't remember how much it was, but it was very reasonable. And also this is 18 inches high by 9 inches wide. So keep an eye on this if you go shopping at Homegoods. Maybe you know you can grab one of this. I use this all year round for any holidays, any season of the year for my flower arrangements. So we're gonna start with the lilac, guys. We're not gonna clip the stems. We're just simply gonna fold them just like that, very easy. And we're just gonna stick inside the vase. We're not using a foam, styrofoam, or any paper to support these flowers, because at the end it's going to support itself, and that's why we're folding them. Okay, so we're gonna do 3 of this. We have 4 lilacs, we're gonna do 3. And all I'm gonna do is fold it like this, just like that. Okay, it depends how long you wanted it. I just want it to be shorter so that it can lay down a little bit more, and it's gonna turn, like I bend the flower this way so that it kind of face down. We're gonna have like 3 different setting of the flowers. So this is gonna go down like a little bit, and you can always adjust it. There is really not there's not right or wrong doing this. It's just very simple. So you're just gonna play around how far you want the flowers to go down, you know. So, and then right, we're just gonna leave it like that first. Also the same thing, okay, with the dahlias. With dahlias, it's gonna go up a little bit like it's set up like that. So it's a higher level. This is gonna be our lower flowers, and this is gonna be a little bit high. And it's gonna have like a pattern here. So first the dahlia, okay, and then the lilac, the dahlia, the lilac, the dahlia, and then the lilac, okay? Just like that. And then we're going to put our two spray of lavender in the middle. And the lavender is going to hold all these flowers. Okay, just like that one. And then we got one more lilac, and it's going to go in the middle of the lavender. We're just gonna stick it in the middle. Just like that. And then you can just play around until it looks good. You know, just make sure everything is nice and straight. Ooh. All right. So guys, like I told you in one of my video before that I love marble. So I'm trying to use marbles for my trays. And this is actually like a Lazy Susan type of marble. But that's okay. I like it because the height, you know, it gives that height. And we're gonna use this for our tray. And there's three items that we're going to use on top of it. So our carrots. I didn't make the carrots, but I just put them together and I just tie them together. And then we have our house. It's a storage, guys. It's perfect for my charger, for my phone charger, you know, my iPad charger. It's really spacious inside. It's like perfect for it. So the reason why I had to use that because I needed it. And I love the way it, you know, it keeps that inside there, and at the same time, it's pretty cool. Like, I love it. And then we have our apothecary, you know, Easter eggs container. Okay. I love the crocheted eggs that I made, and that's what I usually use for my apothecary. So if you don't have a crochet eggs, you can also use a regular colored eggs. It's just, you know, your preference. It's really up to you. So this is what I'm going to use. Okay guys, so we're gonna put the base in the corner here. That's what I usually do with mine, so that we have enough room for, you know, for the countertop. And then I just put the lid next to the tray. And then I just add my apothecary and my little house storage and my little carrots. Very simple, but very cute. So here we go, guys. This is what it looks like, and I'm gonna give you a little tour with my flower arrangements on my island. So this is the finished look, guys, for my flower arrangement. Very beautiful, simple, easy to make. And this is the tray. I hope this inspired you to make one of flower arrangements for your island, like mine. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching DIY with Lenny. God bless you. and I will see you next time. Goodbye.